I never had a taste for this sort of thing, but I must admit, I'm deeply enjoying the suit.
Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Iron Man issue 94. Excellent stuff. Here are the parts. There we go. That feels pretty heavy, that one. I think that is metal, that one. This is one of the abdominal sections. We get 4 of these, basically so as you can have the Iron Man paused in different ways. Now this is for position B. So here we have the magazine. History of Iron Man, Risky Lives, a Family Revelation. I do like reading these stories. You can't keep up with all of them because they go over decades, but the artist's work is brilliant. And here we have the parts. Here are the instructions, the pin, the spring. Excellent. And there is the exploded view. Shows you how it's all put together and the position. So the Iron Man Mark III arm has 4 basic postures: standing A, with the torso twisted B, with the left fist on the ground C, and with the right fist on the ground D. Obviously this is for the twisted version, or posture I should say. And then we have more of the comics: the Eternals, Offspring of the Space Gods, and that goes on for 4 pages. And then War Machine Model 7, cracking artwork. And then the next issue, Build the Abdomen, Position B, Part 2. And here we have the Iron Man as he is now, looking absolutely superb, brilliant. And obviously that piece will go here. So there's only 6 issues left, and issue 97, the actual model, is complete. We do need a couple more pieces for the premium base, and those that aren't in the premium base, I'm not sure what the last last 2 issues, which won't arrive until January, they're probably more abdominal pieces, to be honest, because to actually add these, make it into different poses, you've got to take one off and put the other one on. So it's a matter of dismantling them, but I won't be able to show you that until next month when I get the next 4 issues. But as for now, we can get on with this. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. Okay, let's have a look at the parts. We have a 94A internal abdominal structure B, that is metal. Excellent stuff. And then we got 94B waist B connector base. Then we got the connector lever, the torsion spring, and the pin shaft with AM screws. Excellent stuff. So first of all, what we need to do is to pop the shaft in here and put the spring on and put that lever in place. There should be a hole for that spring, which is just there. I can just about see that hole here. That's where the spring goes. Excellent stuff. So what we need to do is to pop that shaft part way through, say there, and then pop this spring into place. Down in that hole there. Pop the shaft through there like that. There we go. There we go. Finally. And then we need the lever, and the little spring goes in that hole there, and then we can put the shaft through the middle. Hopefully, without any bother. It's gone through there. Then we just need to push it through the other side, just like that. I think that spring's come out. Oh, it's not. No, it's a bit. I don't seem right. That. Hang on. Oh, there we go, that is correct. It does seem a little bit loose there. The tension must be all there, but that does Oh well, it didn't seem right to me, but anyway, there we go. Now what we need to do is to add this, turn that over like so, and 1, 2, 3 screw points, and we need to position this like that. Okay, that seems a lot better. And we've got the AM screws for this. So I get the screws out. Now we can pop this, just a little bit of oil, and hold that there. And the first of 3 screws. Just didn't seem right, that lever. But now it's in position, it's perfectly fine. Told you I don't like shafts and springs. Usually do funny things to me, but that one went far too efficiently into place. So straight away I'm questioning what I'm doing. There we go. That is it. That's better. It's not central, mind you. That spring won't allow it to go central, but so long as it works in the end, doesn't matter. Brilliant, there we go. That is everything in place now. Excellent stuff. You can see the spring where it pops out there. Brilliant. So there we go, guys, that is it. That is issue 94, and that is a lot better. A lot better. Just seemed a little bit too floppy for me before, but that looks fine. Looked brilliant once it's on the old Iron Man there. Excellent stuff. Anyway, that is that for now. Another 4 issues and probably another 3 weeks time, before Christmas anyway, and then I can show you the Iron Man with his legs in position. We can have a look at the different postures that he's going to have. There should be, I think, 2 more issues for the premium base. We've got the pole that'll keep him in place, and there's a little turntable underneath for that ball bearing ring that we fitted or assembled with the issue just before issues 91 and 93, or I should say included with issues 91 and 93. That will fit nicely underneath. Now I'm gonna just put batteries in mine. I think to put a power supply in, you're gonna have to start drilling holes, because obviously the turntable, it's a turntable, it moves, so it's going to be twisting round this way or the other, so you're going to have a wire coming out somewhere. And I've had a look at some, and they can be quite expensive, but I think the cheapest option would probably be a battery eliminator. I know you can get them for them size of batteries, but then you're going to have to modify the actual turntable itself, reroute the cable and bring it out somewhere. But that's entirely up to yourself. I don't think I'll be switching it on much, to be honest, the base. And the batteries will last easily 12 months, so I think that's good enough for me. As for the Iron Man himself, well, he's just got them little lithium coin cell batteries in there, and that's all I'm going to be doing with it. I don't think there's anything else you can do with it, to be honest, and they probably won't get switched on much, so it'll just become a static model, and it'll just change his pose every now and again. But like I say, it'll look brilliant, I know, because now he looks absolutely fantastic. There he is again for another look. The arms are nice and tight, they're stiff. I know that looks a bit floppy, but you can manipulate it anyway and bring his arm up. But he's looking absolutely brilliant. I'm loving it. So I don't know whether to have him on a fist or what, but he's looking absolutely fantastic. Excellent stuff. There we go. Just resting there for now. There we go. Helps him keep steady. There we go. Brilliant stuff. And that is for this month. Anyway, for next month, December, yes, should get the delivery before Christmas. So anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching and tuning in. Bye for now.